Hi guys, welcome to my channel SD Fitness Vlogs. In today's video, we're going to talk about biceps. The bicep anatomy, different kinds of elbow positioning that we have, different kinds of gripping. Each and everything about bicep we're going to know in this video. So please keep watching my video till the end.
To the next level.
At first, we are going to learn about the bicep anatomy. The bicep consists of two muscles, the bicep brachii, brachialis, and this part of the forearm is known as brachioradialis. So guys, right now we're going to know about different kinds of gripping that we have. So when we hold a dumbbell like this and stand, this is known as neutral gripping. When we hold a dumbbell like this, in this position, this is known as supinated gripping. When we hold a dumbbell like this is known as pronated gripping. Supinated and neutral. There are three kinds of gripping that we have. Supinated, neutral and pronated. So now let us talk about the different kinds of elbow positioning that we have. So normally when we do the bicep curl, we stand like this straight. We don't move our arms. The shoulder should be fixed, and then we only take it up. We contract the bicep and then relax. We'll contract the bicep and relax. But when we take the elbow a little bit forward and do the same thing, contract and relax, do the bicep curl like this, you can see and feel there is much more tension in the biceps. So when there is much more tension in the bicep, you will get that pump, and this will help the muscle fibers to get that tear. And when the muscle fibers tear and repair again, the biceps will grow. So this is from my personal experience. For those who are struggling to build the biceps and the biceps are not growing, so they can try this method out. This will help them to grow the biceps. When we are holding the dumbbell in supinated position like this, contracting a muscle and relaxing, contract and relax. The biceps that are the muscles that are targeted are the bicep brachii and brachialis are targeted. And the bicep brachii and brachialis. These two portions are targeted when we are holding the dumbbell in supinated position like this. Bicep brachii and brachialis. These two muscles are being targeted. When we are holding the dumbbell in neutral position like this and doing hammer curls, the muscles that are targeted are brachioradialis and brachialis. These two muscles are targeted. When the dumbbell we are holding in neutral grip, doing hammer curls. When we are holding dumbbell in pronated position like this and doing reverse curls, the muscles that are targeted are brachioradialis and brachialis. These two muscles are targeted. The main thing in bodybuilding is mind and muscle connection. You should have a good mind and muscle connection while working out, so that you can isolate that muscle part of your body and make the maximum use of the workout that you are doing. After workout, the two more important things are your diet. You should have a good diet and sleep. The muscles grow and build when we are at rest with the nutrition that we provide to our body. So after working out, the two more important things are a good diet and a rest.
And the last but not the least, here comes a takeaway for you from this video. We have different kinds of memory, like short-term memory, long-term memory, explicit memory, semantic memory, implicit memory, procedural memory, and testing memory. Our muscle memory is a procedural memory. Muscle memory is the ability to reproduce a particular movement without being conscious of it. It is acquired due to the same repeated movements. According to American Psychology Association, procedural or implicit memory is a type of long-term memory. So when we are trying to build up muscles, we should constantly keep changing our workout so that our muscle memory always stays confused and is never able to guess what's the next action that we are going to perform. Because the moment the muscle memory comes to know what is the next course of action, it means we are getting comfortable with it. And when we get comfortable, the growth stops. And that is why it is said that always be comfortable with uncomfortable situations and never stop growing.
So please take care of yourself and work smart. All the best. Hey guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Do also leave your valuable comments down below the comment section. I'll be back with a new video soon. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home, follow your heart and rock.